What's up, guys? GoodeZilla back again. So then this video is basically just going to be a kind of like an update, I guess, on what's going on with the car and new things to come. I got some parts in the mail. I'll show you those in a couple seconds or minutes or something. But anyway, basically I've just been driving the car around, enjoying it. Still need to put my Platinum Racing Products trigger kit on, but like I said, I have to take apart the front of the motor and stuff to do that. And engine, sorry, not a motor, it's an engine. Anyway, the timing seems to be doing okay. I mean, I'm not revving it out to 9K or anything like that. So anyway, I guess in this video I'm going to be installing a new harness for my R35 coils that Supertec Racing sent to me. They asked me to just test it out for them, and I was like, yeah. So anyway, let's get to that and see what else I got. Alright guys, so got a new R35 coil harness in the mail today. Came from Supertec Racing. The harness itself is kind of like in the test stages, like the beta or whatever. So they sent me one to test fit it out and see how it fits and all that, make sure the lengths are good to go and all that, and it looks really nice. It's like all heat shrink wrapped, and connectors are all nicely done up, and it's pretty sweet. So I'm going to take the one off that I have on there now, which is just a conversion harness that I got off eBay from a company in Australia. So I mean, it works, but Supertec contacted me and they were like, hey, I'm going to send you a harness. Can you test it out? And I was like, yes. So that's what we are doing here. So I'm just undoing the connectors, and then we shall replace the current harness with the new Supertec one. So let's see here, for comparison's sake. It looks about to be the same lengths. This little connector is a little bit longer than the Supertec one. I don't know if it needs to be, but we'll find out. But yeah, this is definitely a lot higher quality than this one. This one is like, I don't even know what you call this. It's just like a solid sleeve instead of this mesh stuff. So it's pretty sweet. So we shall see how the fitment is now. This connector is got a little zip tie on it. Not like a real zip tie, but like a factory style zip tie. So undoing that so I can get it a little bit closer, I think, since it doesn't have as long of a connector. Sorry if this is not a good angle. Let me see. Connecting this connector here. That fits good. And then this connector here. And that fit good. So, let's see. So this back one, so this probably needs to just come over here some like this. Get some light so I can see what I'm doing. There we go. So this back connector, because of the way that the rear coil is facing, is hard to get when you have the heater hoses here. Not impossible, just hard. So that's in. And then it looks like. So it looks like they're all kind of, I mean, they give you some slack, but I guess because they're so rigid, they don't like kind of just tuck away very easily. So let me see if I can kind of pull this down. There we go. Alright, that's pretty nice. As you can see, it's pretty nice in there. Just use your stock little bendable hooks here, and then just goes back and around and plugs into the factory connectors there. So, alright, now we'll see if it starts. Also have a new front lip to put on. This is a AB Flug style front lip. Came from Rocket Z Motorsports in Canada, I believe. But yeah, I like the way that these look on the R32s, so figured I'd pick one up. I need to do some fiberglass repair because during shipping it kind of got crushed. So there's a little crack along the edge of the lip or whatever, so I need to do some repair on that. They did give me a partial refund. I asked for a replacement, but they don't have any more in stock, and they won't for another 3 months or so, so we worked it out. But anyway, I'll get it all fiberglassed up or whatever. Never done it before, so it'll be a learning experience. And then we'll get it probably just painted black and put on. So yeah, this is a cold start, so E85, bear with me. works. And as you can see, here's the old harness. So started using the new harness, so cool. Well guys, thanks for watching. As always, I appreciate it. Make sure to hit that like button and hit the bell icon if you haven't. You know, you get notified whenever I upload a video, since I'm exactly not, you know, regular on it. So whenever I do, then you'll know when I post one. So anyway, before you click off the video, I will have some clips at the end of some GoPro footage that I got from my mount up here. Just having a little fun doing some pulls, you know, hearing some wastegate. But I also wanted to ask you guys, if you leave in the comments below your opinion or ideas. I was thinking about making another t-shirt design that's more for, sorry, I had a piece of my mustache in my mouth, that's more for not just a GTR owner, but someone who likes my channel, supports my channel or whatever, and is into Skylines in general and GTRs. I was thinking about making like a sticker or a shirt design that said maybe like, I don't know, Zilla Crew or Skyline, I don't even know, it sounds dumb, Mafia or something, I don't know. But I kind of like Zilla Crew. I can go with that, you know, if you guys like that, or just put your ideas below. Even the sticker on the back of the flap, you know, it says overpowered. I was thinking about something like Team OP, because everyone that has these cars, you know, RB powered, it's overpowered. That's why we won. I say we. That's why these cars won, you know, all the Group A races, you know, got the nickname GoodeZilla, because they're overpowered. But anyway, so yeah, something like, you know, Team OP or Team Zilla or anything like that, you know, something that I can call you guys, you know, when I'm making these videos for you. So if you want to, you know, have a name, let me know below. All these other like vloggers and stuff are like, oh hey, what's up, blah blah blah, good to see you again, you know, stuff like that. So it'd be cool if I could just do that too, I guess, you know, instead of just saying guys. There are a couple girls out there that watch, like 1%. Anyway, getting off of anyway, the ideas, put them down below for stickers or shirts. If you want a shirt, you can look at my designs at GoodeZilla.com/shirts. All the links are in the description below. So yeah, guess we'll see what you guys think, and see you in the next video. See you.
I wanted to test my new suspension out.
Apparently.